So what we're going to do is we're just going to play an F on the clarinet, just backside F. 1, 2, big breath. Let's do another one, okay? Big breath in and out. 1, 2, 3. The next one, we're going to play G, open, no fingers. Make sure you have good finger posture, but don't actually push any of them down. Here's the G. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Last note for today that we're going to warm up on is an E, thumb and 1. Here's our E. 1, 2, ready. We're going to do one more E, nice and soft. 1, 2, ready.